Hello everybody, hello, welcome back all you internet people. This is Mike from Mike's Magic Resto Detailing, etc., here in another poopy weather day in Sharpsburg, Georgia. There you have it, there you have it. This is going to be part of what I'm going to call my Detailing 101 series, where I am going to review each step along the way in detailing a car and try to inject what I like to call common sense into it and afford folks the advantage of my experience and training and education in this, and try to provide some easier and more effective ways of doing your car. Now this video here is kind of jumping ahead a little bit, but I just really didn't have much choice, and that's okay. What I'm going to be talking about today is after you've washed your car and deconned it, if you're going to do that and all that other stuff, it will come time to dry your car. Now, most of the time I use a dedicated car dryer which uses heated and filtered air. You may not want to spend the money on that, but at some point you're going to have to dry the car. So if you decide to use a towel, which I do on occasion, you're going to need some good quality drying towels. Now there's a good many available on the retail market, and you know, they're decent. One of my customers came to me a while back and showed me one that he had bought at one of the stores around town here, and it was rated at 800 GSM, which is grams per square meter, which is how they rate these towels. You know, that's okay. I'm not sure about the blend of it and exactly how soft it was, but a small car, it would probably be okay. But most of the time when I'm drying a car, I will use this, which is much bigger than the one he bought. It's from Aqualux Detailing Supply out of Dallas, Texas. It's called the Slurpee, and it is 1400 GSM. A good blend, very soft, and very absorbent, as we're about to see. That's a little pricier than the ones you get on the retail market, but trust me, it's worth the extra money if you care about your paint. Not only will it dry it faster and more effectively, but it will do it safer to avoid marring your car. What I've got here is a 5-gallon bucket, and I put that black mark here is roughly 2 gallons of water. I put a little bit of rinseless wash in there to give it some color so y'all can see it. And this towel here is not totally dry. It's still a little bit damp from where I used it, I think yesterday, to dry off my car with. But let's see what it'll do, okay? Put it in here. Let it absorb some water. The longer you leave it in there, the more it'll absorb, obviously. Oh, look how much that water level dropped, folks. That towel absorbed a lot of water. I would guess that's close to 1 gallon. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. Which a car the size, the size of my Mustang, I could dry it several times. You know, when you use these drying towels, you know, when you're drying a car, it's supposed to be clean. So it should not get dirty. It should just get wet. So you could, you know, let it air dry. You could throw it in the dryer on low speed, the lowest speed, and let it dry, and then just use it again. There's no need to wash it if your car was clean like it was supposed to be. And there you have it. That's a quick course on drying towels, folks. I hope y'all can like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, comment, all that stuff for me that you internet people do. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Y'all have a great day.